Okay, so what you're looking at here is a visual comparison between a couple of different GU10 type bulbs. We've got a halogen light from IKEA on the left that's closest to us, and that represents our control as a 35 watt halogen light. So going around the room, what we have are a couple of different LED bulbs that we can take a look at. So this one right here is the Torchstar. It's a 3-watt bulb, and next to that Torchstar one, is an it's a lighting ever bulb. That one's dimmable. So this one is not dimmable. It's from Amazon. It was about $5, I think, for something, and that one was about $7 or $8, but this one's dimmable. So 3 watts here, 4 watts there, and then also from Torchstar, the Torchstar one over there is a 5 watt, and that one is non-dimmable as well. So we've got the Torchstar here and the Torchstar there. The difference is that one's a 5 watt one, a 50 watt equivalent, and then there's our IKEA 35 watt halogen equivalent. So that one that you saw that's definitely a little bit more orangey is the IKEA one that's over there. Okay, and right next to it again, that's this one, which is the Torchstar one. It's classified as a warm white, 50 watt equivalent, which is 5 watts, and then this one's the 4 watt one, which is the dimmable one. This one's more. So again, this one was going to be about $5, I believe. This one's closer to $7 or $8, but that one's dimmable. And then this one's the other Torchstar one, that's about $5 as well. And so if I try and I'll go and I'll try and dim this a little bit, and you'll see that that far one is dimmable, but not the closer one. So there's a difference. And those ones, the regular halogen one is infinitely dimmable, and then the Torchstar one over there, the 50 watt equivalent, is not. Okay, so visually, hopefully that gives you some idea. Oh, and just as a reference again, there's some incandescent rope lighting that's up there. And so if you take a look at that and use that and try and use that as a reference, you'll see how orange that is in comparison with some of the other ones. So going around the room, again, you have the IKEA 35 watt incandescent halogen, and then you also have the Torchstar there. That's the 50 watt one, and that was about $5. And then you have your lighting ever one, which is dimmable, and that one's 4 watts and 35 watt equivalent. And there's the 35 watt equivalent of the Torchstar as well. All right.